say he wants to answer. Oops. No, I did not put on click to move. It's dangerous. You're not gonna believe who I just found. I just found Ray 4. Ray 4 is back on the channel. Yeah, let's go. Whoa! Oops, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, TVO Kids, aka this guy, the guy with the username, I'm not gonna say. I'm just gonna call him TVO Kids. So apparently TVO Kids found this cave that I didn't know that was here. I didn't know it was here. I'm out of the tags. Okay, good. Stay out of the tags. Why did you jump out? I mean tags. Wait, is there a way to get out of here? Hold on, I want to just go back to this. What? What's going on? Huh? What the? Wait. Dude, I can't. Oh, we're back. Sorry, my autocorrect. Okay. Ray 4, you are back on the channel. Please be happy. Cave. Oh, okay. Hold on, let me get pizza real quick. Give me pizza. Pizza.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Have you seen the main drain? No? Wait, what's main drain? What? What are you talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. Wait. You don't know what main drain is? No, I don't know what that means. I don't understand. Oh gosh, if it's something that is really important, I'm literally gonna get roasted. I'm seriously gonna get roasted. Like literally. Just what SpongeBob the main drain and clip. I watched. What the? I'm so confused. I actually do not know what that is. Someone please comment down below on like literally. Comment down below on what the main train and clip from SpongeBob is. I actually do not know what that is. I don't understand what you're talking about. Who typed emojis? Who typed emojis? That's weird. Did someone just die? Let me turn up the volume. Did you hear the little die? You seriously not responding to my calculations, IHOP? Sorry, Okay, I think he's trying to say he wants to answer. Oops. No, I did not put on click to move. It's dangerous. Still, I don't. I'm confused. I don't understand. Don't pull it. Pull what? Pull what? Pull what? I'm not gonna go to the. What are you talking about? I don't understand. Pull what? Pull what? What do you mean? The main drain. Wait, the main drain. Are you dumb? I'm not your mom. Bro got roasted. Bro got roasted. And no, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. Like, literally, I don't know what that means. Dude, why do you keep asking that? I don't understand. I don't know what it means. I just wanted you. What? What? Just wanted. What? Windows XP watermark? Really? Okay, is it the, or am I playing with confusing people? I'm literally playing with confusing people. I don't understand, what are they saying? Let's say what? God. Want pizza?
Pizza!
Hello. Information contain. What? I'm so confused. Like, what? Listed? No. I'm. Okay. I see clown. Dude, is everyone just want to talk to me now? Now that I'm literally like a famous like YouTube, well, technically, well, not a YouTuber, but like still. Ooh, it's true seats. Whee! I actually don't know what this is. Pad. Let's go. I actually hope this is not a mistake on the track. Dude, stop. You're gonna make... What? I was literally trying to say let's go. Let's just walk. Wait. I'm so confused. Okay, let's go. Run, run, run. Let's see where we come. Let's see where we come. What is this? Ow, what the? What is this? This is amazing. Dude, this is amazing. Oh, what is this? Is this a guy? It's a guy. Yeah. I don't understand what is going on. There's like a guy shooting like a laser at a crystal thing, making it like you've got like a little like purple thing. Wait, no, that's a crystal. I'm stupid. What is going on? I'm so confused. Am I playing with weird people or something? I know Ray 4's not weird. But like after she commented on one of my first Roblox videos, aka last Roblox video, she literally kept changing. She literally kept changing her username, but like now I'm just getting confused. She kept changing her username, and now I couldn't actually find her YouTube channel. So that, hey yo, Windows, you can't say that. That's eat. What are you doing? Dude, stop. I don't understand. What is he doing? I think there's like more people. I think that's insane. Insanely sane, insanely sane. Yeah. Okay, bro, you can stop. Bro, stop. Dude, what are you trying to do? I don't understand. What are you doing? This is weird. You are being weird. Windows XP, you're being weird. Yummy. Bro, you can't eat a crystal. You can't eat a crystal. That's just like eating a light bulb. Like eating rock candy. Okay, bro, can you stop? Like, literally, I don't understand what is the... Guy. What? I'm gonna vomit soon. You actually gonna vomit, or is this is just a role play? Are you actually gonna? They didn't vomit. Kicks windows, dude. Just kick him. Just kick him, bro. He's playing dead, isn't he? He's playing dead. That's not how this thing works. Excuse me. Oh my god. How do we go back? No, let's just go back. Hold on. Dude, I thought... Let's go back. Ray 4, are you coming? Ray 4. Ray 4. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go back. Whee! Oh crap, we can't. TP back. TP back. It was, I think it was right here. There we go. Teleport back. Dude, is he still doing it? Dude, where is did they seriously just, they didn't listen to what I said. They did not. Are they here? Pulls windows pants. Oh, what the heck? Guys, you are being weird. Like, so absolute weird. Hold on, there's a Sonic. There's like a Sonic. Hold on. Ow. Ow, what happened? Ow. I just clicked the sit button. Hey, look, my name is Dohai. Hey, my name is, wait. Yeah, my name is Dohai. I'm just, okay, that was just a joke. I'm trying to bring Sonic down there so he can become Super Sonic. Sonic, get down. Sonic, I'm not Sonic, go! Go, Sonic! Sonic, Sunky, go! Go, Sonic! Sonic, go! I'm not playing around! What if I just... Dude, the only... yeah, I can't hit Sonic until those Chaos Emeralds. MasterCard, stop. You guys are freaking weird. You guys are weird. Dude! MasterCard, what are you doing? Great, the stupid tags in cave. Dude, this guy is... Dude, MasterCard, stop. This is not funny. MasterCard, this is not funny. MasterCard, get away from me. I forgot that was so loud. I literally forgot. Now for this one, yeah, nature, okay. No, I'm gonna just stick with IHOP. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick with IHOP. Let's go. Oh. Take a look at this. Take a look at this in the chat. What is Windows doing? What is Windows doing? No, where the heck stop. No, you guys are being weird. No. You guys are being weird. No, absolute weird. Weird. You guys are weird. Weird. You guys are weird. Sorry, I screeched. Now, what happened? Now, I'm pretty sure I flew, like, I literally started flying on the other trampoline, so what if I, like, sit? 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. Wait, did I discover this last video, or was it? No, I don't know. Oh, God. No, I'm gonna... I don't know if I already discovered that last video, but yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I don't know if I discovered that last video, but that's literally like the third time I said that. Hold on. So I actually heard that you can get cars in this game, so I want to know where the cars are. Like, where are the cars? Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Where are the cars? Where are the cars? I'm trying to pull up in my Bugatti, aka my Lamborghini, my hello, KFC. I'm gonna just scoot past you, and then I will live like a slob. Just kidding. I'll live like a slob. Won't drive like a car. Okay, bye, losers. Oh, there's a little store, but I don't care. I'm literally, oh god, I'm not going to run into that thing again. Windows just teleports back. You got, help me, dude. Where? Okay, okay. You know, I'm gonna just drive my car into the pool. Whee! Oh, yeah, that didn't go planned. But anyways, I wanna see what happened. What, dude? Where's what? Wait a minute. Don't tell me he's in the cave. He's in the cave. Why is he in the cave? Windows, what? Windows, I dare. Wait. Windows, I dare you to eat. MasterCard, what the heck? MasterCard, you need to stop. I don't know if MasterCard's being weird or stupid. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna. And then all I'm gonna do is just do hat remover thing, and then I'll go to boop. Oh, my skin is gray. Okay, my skin is gray. Okay, this is nothing. So now I'm gonna have to find. I accidentally pressed Nicktoons on accident. I did Nicktoons. Accident. 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 Okay, hold on. FXX. How are some people still here? Are they still trying to decide which logo they want to be? FXX. No, get me off. I want to see what everyone else is doing. Ray 4, why are you still here? Ray 4, stop. Ray 4. Hold on. I'm gonna go check over there because I haven't been over there in a video yet. I haven't been over here. Oh, it's like a little cushion. Oh, this is 10. There's a what? Oh, it's where I get my laptops and stuff. Okay. I just wish I can take a crap in this porta potty. I can. My dream has came true, and I'm now Shrek because I can make reference to Shrek scene. Yeah, I'm Shrek. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not Shrek, but like, I just wanted to say that. Dude, I literally can't get up here. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go. Yeah. Is there a way in the? Is there a way in this? Like what? There's like a way in this, right? There's like no way in this. There's no way. Wait, Guru. What the heck is Guru? What the heck is Guru? I'm so confused. I do not know what the heck is Guru. Ha, you really thought I was gonna say the F word, huh? Well, I don't cuss on this channel. So, ha, I don't cuss. You really thought I was gonna say the F word. It was like SpongeBob. Hey, wait a minute. Wait, these are books. These are not movies. These are books. Oh wait, one of them's an Infinity has a book. Okay. Okay, there's like Son of Godzilla or something. I don't know if that's a real movie, but okay. They have Peppa Pig, Muddy Puddles. Okay, Muddy Puddle, Peppy Pig, because that's what Peppa the freaking pig always does. Now I want to see if I can find like a secret place. You know, I want to find a secret place. Let's see. Where would a secret place be? Oh, here. Yeah, let's go. Oh, is it? What is it? What the? Hey, why is there a chest here? I'm so confused. Why is there a chest? There's a chest, I think. Hold on, I want to smash this open. Smash open. Now I can't smash it open. Wait, so. Oh wait, it was just the grass. Dang it. Is there like a key somewhere that I can open the thing with? Like literally, there's gotta be like something here. Like, is there like a teleportation thing, or is there like something? There's gotta be something here. Yeah, the sun's back up. Well, I actually do not know what to do in here. Like, literally, there's literally a treasure chest right there, and there's literally nothing. Like, nothing else, that's all. That's all. That's all there is, just the treasure chest. Well, I didn't think this through, but anyways, FX, you were really good. Like, you were a good boy today, even though I'm kind of, FXX, wait, did I say FX or FXX? I actually do not know what I said. But anyways, I actually hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, please. Because my only goal is to just get 30 subscribers. Like, my only goal is to get 30 subscribers. And if we reach 30 subscribers, I might make like a special video of Roblox. Like, I might make a video of me playing Battle for Dream Island again if we hit like 30 subscribers. So yeah. Also, before I actually end the video, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Okay, I can view the picture. Let's see what it looks like. Hello. So now I'm gonna. What does it do? Captures. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, I actually capture this. Like, literally, I captured this while I was playing as Dice Cube. And look. Look what I said. It says it's not Ice Cube. I think I accidentally snapped 2 pictures of me as the ABC block thing. I got a video of Sprout, I think, and then there's me. There's me, the FX that was just posted. So, yeah, I actually hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I think I already said the outro. But anyways, see you in the next video. Peace.